It's a truckload of mattresses. We have a lot of work to do, so I better get moving. It's Chef Mark here, and I'm at a donation center that's very special to, I think, everyone in Colorado. Yeah. The Marshall Fire Donation Center. Tell everybody who you are and what you've done.
Sure. Thanks for having me here. My name is Jay Hinton. I'm a territory sales manager here in Colorado with Tempur+Sealy mattresses. And just really happy that we had this opportunity presented to us by Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, who saw that there was a need in the community, displaced victims of the Marshall Fire that may have a need for some mattresses. And I was asked if I could help with that effort, and really happy to have been able to help out with that.
We all know somebody who was affected by the Marshall Fire, and Tempur teaming up with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom be able to donate 120 mattresses.
120, yeah.
Both twins and queens to homes, families that need this. And the way this happens is that they come into this facility. We're in an old department store near the fire. They come into the facility with either their FEMA number or their Red Cross number, and they can shop the facility, not just mattresses, but everything they need for their home. Things for kids, things for clothes. I saw kitchenwares downstairs.
Oh, it's amazing.
And then they can apply to get a mattress for their home. And many people have already done so. So let's take a walk and see just the scale of this place. So I'm here with Valerie, and she's the boss. And you donate all your time.
Yes, I do.
To make this happen. Well, thank you. Thank you. And tell us what this donation means to you and the people who receive this donation.
This is absolutely enormous for the volunteers that work here. We get to see what comes in, and then we get to see the faces of the people as they go out the door with materials that they really need. These families lost everything, down to the bare cement slab.
Yeah.
And so having a brand new mattress is amazing to them. And we really thank our sponsors and the corporations that donate here, because we try to make the best use of everything that comes in. And we really appreciate it.
Well, we appreciate the opportunity to help the community, and thank you and all your hardworking crew, the people that are donating their time to make this happen.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. And thank you. We just got done helping unload over 140 mattresses. The outpouring from the community, the people who donated their time, was overwhelming. And I'm so proud to be part of this, to be part of helping the Marshall Fire victims. If you've been affected by the fire, find this place. You can find it through Red Cross or FEMA. They have the resources to help you. And there's mattresses here. You need a good night's sleep because you have a lot on your mind. It's been an honor to help. Thank you again, Tempur+Sealy, for partnering with us.